Consider function f below. F of x equals x minus 4 quantity squared plus 1. A quadratic function g intersects the y-axis at 0, 10, so that's a y-intercept, and has a vertex at 4, 2. Which of the following statements is true? Well, functions f and g have different axes of symmetry, and the minimum value of f of x is greater than the minimum value of g of x. Functions f and g have the same axis of symmetry, and the minimum value of f of x is less than the minimum value of g of x. So as I don't read all of them, what we're looking at is we're looking at the axis of symmetry, which is the line that goes right through the middle of the graph, and which vertex is lower, the one from f of x or function g. So what I did is I typed in the information that was given here. So the red graph there is x minus 4 squared plus 1. And the axis of symmetry on this graph goes right down the middle of this graph, and it's actually at x equals 4. And the thing is, now that I typed that in, what you see is that green point that now looks purple, but this point right here, that's the vertex of the green function, even without coming up with the equation of the green function, which means that they have the same axis of symmetry. Then the other part of it is the vertex. Well, the vertex of our first function is here at 4, 1. It is lower than this green point here. So when we go back to Edmentum to answer our question, so they have the same axis of symmetry, and then the minimum value, the lowest value on the function of f, is lower than g. So same axis of symmetry, and then let's mark it here. And then again, the lowest point here on the red graph it's lower than the vertex of this function right there, the other function.